The science of underwater acoustics began in 1490 with Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci described hearing ships at a great distance from him when placing the head of a long tube in the water and the outer extremity to his ear. Since then, underwater acoustics, or hydroacoustics, has become a crucial element of modern life to protect marine and tropical animals, because sound travels differently underwater, which can have a profound impact on animals who live in these spaces. For various reasons, underwater acoustics is proving very popular with people who have an affinity with animals. Sound can alert us to climate changes coming our way and are often measured in the oceans, for example the melting of the polar ice caps. But it could be a lake, a river, a tank. Sound can be used for detecting and warning our military for dangers in the water around them and vast distances. Here are a number of applications of underwater acoustics. With the world and its environment changing every day, there has never been a better time to start making your own waves in underwater acoustics.